If you hate looking at that jumble of cords at your computer or at your TV station, or you have kids or pets that get into the cords, these cord management boxes by ZhiYo are amazing. Here you can see how simply they put together. There are lids for each one of them, and then there are slats that are cut out on the sides and in the middle to accommodate the cords coming through, and you put the cords inside and put the lid on. There's a larger one and a smaller one that come in this pack. Today, you're going to see me using the smaller one at my desktop. Oh, and another thing is that they are plastic, but they come with these rubber feet so they don't hurt the surface that you set them on. All right, here is my cord situation before, and here is after. So much cleaner. Everything that was jumbled on my desk before is now inside of this box and coming through the cable slats. I recommend this 100%.